my transition is definitely a complex piece of simplicity. तो of course I didn't want to be a man. मुझे एक औरत बनना था. अगर समाज से लड़के अपनी साड़ी बांधी है तो इसका पल्लू तो मैं लहराऊंगी ना. Hi guys, it's Ella D. Verma. I'm a content creator who talks about my journey of growing up transgender in this country. And आज I'm going to be her ज़िंदगी's cover lady. So when I talk about my journey of transitioning and becoming, my authentic self, I really like to think of it as something that is so simple. मतलब ठीक है, I've given so many interviews and told so many stories where I'm like, this was tough, this was complicated, but looking back now, अब मेरे को सीधा समझ आता है ना कि it was something that was very simple to me. Like, I always knew who I was. I had that clarity since day one, and becoming Ella from there for me was the simplest thing in the world. It was only complex for the world, and it was a matter of them catching up with me. So if I had to sum it up in one line, my transition is definitely a complex piece of simplicity. And today, I'm going to tell you 5 things that I wish I knew before I transitioned. I was very fortunate and very lucky in the sense that I had my family with me. मेरे घर वालों ने कभी भी, there was not a moment of hostility. So the first thing that I learned, and I'm going to want you to hold my hand when I tell you this, that transitioning is not going to solve everything. मतलब ऐसे कोई जादू की छड़ी नहीं है कि that surgery or the hormones or changing your name or wearing a dress is going to fix everything. If anything, after transitioning, you will realize कि तुम्हारी life में इतनी सारी भतेरी problems थी, but जब तक transitioning वो solve नहीं हुआ था ना, so it was central to your life and it was taking so much energy that आपने बाकी की किचकिच पे ध्यान नहीं दिया. So after I transitioned, I had a phase where I was very unhappy और मेरे को लगा था क्या this was the goal यार, like I needed to change my gender और वो हो गया, and now I'm still unhappy. But then I realized कि इतने सालों की bullying, family का disapproval, my own issues with my self-esteem, वो सब भी address करना था, but उस पर आज तक नज़र ही नहीं गई because gender पे सारी नज़र डाल के मैं बैठी हुई थी. So another thing that I'll tell you, particularly if you're a transgender person who's considering, having surgeries or taking hormones or going the medical route. I knew about myself my entire life, but I only came to terms with it when I was 14, 15. तो अभी 14-15 साल की pondering करके I've come to a decision. And एक conversation में मेरे मम्मी पापा पे थोप दिया है. So I can't, expect कि वो एक रात में ऐसे सब accept कर लें. और I'm the first born son to my parents. So when they have a boy or a girl or a baby, they're like, अच्छा बड़े होके ये होगा, then ये होगा, then ये होगा. And then suddenly all those dreams को एक दिन आके I'm telling you कि actually जो आपने आज तक सपने देखे हैं, it's gonna be a complete 360. So of course there's gonna be a time that's needed for them to process it as well. So be patient with the people that you come out to. Another thing that I wouldn't necessarily say just transition has taught me, but something that I've learned, जीते जीते ज़िंदगी के साथ, is life is not gonna be black and white. When I started transitioning, I had a lot of self-esteem issues. So of course, I didn't want to be a man. मुझे एक औरत बनना था. For example, when I was, freshly 18 and able to get surgeries, I wanted to get my nose done, get my tits done, get my body done, this done, that done. But I realized a lot of those things were coming from a place of insecurity. Sometimes you get surgeries because they make you feel prettier, and that's fine as well. But be very clear about your intention. कि what part of your body are you augmenting or changing? कि वो आपके dysphoria को alleviate कर रहा है, and what part are you changing because it's something you don't like and you want to fix an insecurity, a quick fix. So having that clarity is really important to avoid being disappointed in the long run. And lastly, to the people who have transitioned or have started their transition journey, I'll tell you, relax. इतनी कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. You're literally just changing a very minuscule thing about yourself. Once you change your gender, you will realize your gender is the most irrelevant part of your life. It barely comes up in day-to-day life. पहले मेरे को बड़ा ऐसा लगता था कि like, oh my god, I'm transgender, that's why I'm losing people in my life. But this dynamic is everywhere. Like, let's say two female friends are there, one of them gets married or one of them has a baby, like the lifestyle changes so much, the other one might not necessarily be able to relate or keep up. So differences itne aa jate na, sometimes people just don't relate to you, and people fading out and friendships fading out is a very natural part. So I think when you do come out and people show no hostility but they distance themselves, personally लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Some people just don't know how to react to it. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है, लाइक मी फॉर एग्जांपल, बचपन से ऐसे कंडीशनिंग है कि अच्छा लड़कियों की तरह नहीं करना, लड़कियों वाले टॉयज के साथ नहीं खेलना, लड़कियों की तरह चलना नहीं है, बोलना नहीं है, ऐसे बैठो वैसे बैठो. सो देयर इज दिस इंटरनल शेम इन योर ओन फेमिनिनिटी, एंड नाउ दैट आई इवन हैव बिकम अ वुमन एंड इट्स मोर सोशली एक्सेप्टेबल फॉर मी टू बी फ्लैम्बोयेंट या बी फेमिनिन या इतराना या नखरे करना. आई समटाइम्स subconsciously hold myself back from being myself because a lot of shame is associated with femininity in the way our upbringing is. But if you started this step, life is going to be just fine. Relax, be yourself, be flamboyant, be loud, and like I always say, अगर समाज से लड़के अपनी साड़ी बांधी है तो इसका पल्लू तो मैं लहराऊंगी ना. Bye. Back up.